there's a sailor who sings of the dreams that he brings from a wide open sea. And in the port of Amsterdam there's a sailor who sleeps while the riverbank weeps to the old willow tree. And in the port of Amsterdam there's a sailor who dies full of beer, full of cries in a drunken town fight. And in the port of Amsterdam there's a sailor who was born on a heartbreaking morn by the dawn's early light. In the port of Amsterdam where the sailors all meet, there's a sailor who eats only fish heads and tails, and he'll show you his teeth that have rotted too soon. Come and haul up the sails, swallow the moon. And he yells to the cook with his arms open wide, hey, bring me more fish, throw it down by my side. And he wants soap to melt, but he's too old to try, so he stands up and laughs, zips up his flies. In the port of Amsterdam they can see sailors dance, porches bursting their pants, diving women's ports. They've forgotten the tune, they're